Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vikas. In today's video, we're going to have a look at a travel cake. This travel cake is lemon loaf cake with lemon icing. To start the cake, I'm taking castor sugar in a bowl and we'll grate some lemon zest on top of it. Mix the castor sugar and lemon zest together so that the flavors of the lemon zest get into the sugar. This will give you a nice lemony, refreshing flavor to the cake. When the sugar and lemon is well combined, we'll start with the cake batter. For the batter, we'll start with oil, melted butter, milk, eggs, sour cream, and sugar. With the help of a whisk, we'll combine this all together so that the sugar dissolves with the eggs and the fat. Add some vanilla extract. In another bowl, we combine all our dry ingredients together. We start with the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. With the help of a sieve, we sieve all these dry ingredients together into another bowl. We'll add these ingredients to the oil and the butter mixture. With the help of a whisk, we'll combine it together to get the cake batter. Once the cake batter is achieved, we'll line a cake tin with parchment paper and pipe this batter into the mold. Once the batter is filled, we'll put this cake into the oven for baking at around 180 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes. While my cake is getting baked, I want you to have a look at this video. This video is of School for European Pastry and Culinary Arts. School for European Pastry is an esteemed baking, pastry and culinary school distinguished as one of the finest globally. Our vision is to nurture, equip and empower our students to become tomorrow's industrial leaders. Whether you aspire to join the hospitality industry or embark on an entrepreneurial journey, we are committed to providing you with vital training and resources needed to excel in either path. Your growth and success are a source of immense pride for us. Thank you for watching the video. Let's come back to the channel. My cake is now baked and I'm going to demold it and let it cool down on a wire rack. When the cake cools down, we'll start with the lemon icing. For the lemon icing, we combine lemon juice and icing sugar together. And with the help of a pastry brush, we'll spread this icing on top of the warm cake. Once the cake is coated with a lemon glaze, we'll remove some freshly grated lemon rind and sprinkle the lemon rind on top of the cake. Let the cake sit for a while the icing hardens and gives you a nice glaze on top of the cake. Just before service, I'm going to sprinkle it with some snow sugar or powdered sugar. With the help of a knife, we'll cut this cake into two halves and just have a look at the crumb structure. This cake is extremely moist and it has a very nice, refreshing lemon tangy flavor. It's so good to have. If you like this video, do comment on the comment section and let me know if you'd like to see some more videos like these. Hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.